Welcome back to Junker Clunkers. I am Grady. This is my son Brent.
Hi.
Today's video, we're going to try and finish up the old green monster. It's very close to being done. Just a few more things to go. We got a beautiful day here, so let's get started. Go down that away.
Okay.
And blink it, slam and damn it.
What?
Yeah!
What are you even saying?
Just go down that and hammer it on. Alright guys, so we're just going to start reassembling some of the stuff here. Like those plates that go on top, those little, I don't know what the hell you call them, trim pieces. But they kind of got broken a little bit coming off, the clips. They weren't very pliable. Surprise, huh? So we'll probably have to set a couple of screws, hammer it right where your hand was, pound it down.
Right here.
See the hump there? Give us some!
I am.
Yeah, like right in this area probably. There we go.
How? It's got the power. Get that area.
It's going down. So we got a new wiring harness. Got a new wiring harness to go for the tail lights. I had to get it out of the junkyard because the one that came with it is kind of mangled. So let's go ahead and replace on that.
The one that
Yeah, see, they got splices and it's missing some shit. I just don't want to deal with it. So we'll just put this new one in. She should be all hunky-dory, I would hope. Yeah, that one's working. How about the other one? Go all the way up? Yeah, that's working.
both lights are on each side.
Alright guys, got a bit of a surprise for you. More like surprise for the truck. We got ourselves some new lenses. Those other ones just weren't gonna do. They were all busted up from whatever kind of accident this thing was in before we got to bed. So Found these on what, eBay, I think. Check those puppies out, huh? Now, the only forum I could see, well, the only complaint I could see was somebody complaining about something not lining up correctly. I think all it is instead of the pins here, he's just gonna turn them out. Bro, I need a pair of vice grips. Why don't you stay right here and help me? You could tell me what you think of these lights that are gonna be on here in a second. What we gotta do is go ahead and pop our plugs into place.
Goes that way. There, now it's done.
Yeah. Oh yeah. How about the blinkers? Yeah, other one. Put it in reverse again. Hold the brake. Yeah. Looks pretty good. One piece of the project done. So this is the plug off the old harness that we had pulled off. The new harness, for some reason, doesn't have this. I don't know. Just make sure that it plugs in. Oh, we're losing our mind. We need the other end. I need this end, not that end. All right, so this is the plug we need. A little boogie in there. Got it. Make sure it plugs into where we need it to. It does. This will be color coded. They're just brown and black. So we want to go black to black, brown to brown. We shouldn't have any problems. I don't have any heat shrink connectors today. So I'm just going to put this on for now. And I'll come back in here off camera later on and repair it the right way. So this is just a temporary fix. I know this is not how you should repair wire. So that being said, if you'd like to tell me in the comment section that I'm doing it incorrectly, I completely understand. But for today, because I'm trying to get a bunch of projects done on this truck so I can get you guys a video, I'm just going to twist and tape, and later on, when I have a bunch more time, I'll come back in here and fix it the right way. That also being said, I've repaired wires that have held together like this with no problems for a very long time. It's all in preference. I like to do the heat shrink because that just gives me a little more peace of mind that it's completely weather resistant. And I will come back and fix this the right way at some point in time. But I twist them together real good, tape them up individually, and then I'll come back here and go past the repair, and I'll do a tight wind of tape, sometimes even a little more, just to make sure that nothing gets in here. I'll even do 2 layers to make some of the people happy out there. Alright, so we are now plugged in. Brent, can you turn the lights on? You can just turn the lights on, you don't need the key. So we either have just a loose connection. Hey Brent. Brent, come here please. The pigtail's got a little bit of corrosion in there. You shut the lights off? We're just gonna scrape away the corrosion. These pigtails are pretty common for corroding and having issues. So we'll just make this one work for now, and I'm sure we'll be back into this before too long, replacing this pigtail. So we've got all our lights working back here. Let's go see if we can find some bolts for the front headlights and make sure all the lights are working in there.
Should it be a small one? Oh wait,
yeah,
is that?
Those kind of seem like they go. Look at those puppies sitting in the pickup. You see those puppies sitting in the pickup? Look at those puppies sitting in the pickup. We're not going for a ride right now, guys. You know that, right? No rides right now. Truck ain't done. The truck's not done. Don't look at me like that. It's getting close though. It's getting really close. Are you ready to go? You guys ain't even excited. You want to go for a ride? Do you want to go for rides? Yeah, they're not stupid. They're like, we're already in the truck. Come on. Stop playing stupid with us, Dad. I tell you, I miss that truck. That was a damn good pickup for a very long time. Very long time. She's quite rotted out and rusty now though, boys and girls. It's alright. We got ourselves a good one here, I hope. Just about done. Just about done. Find one?
So, a filler neck's the thing that comes out of the gas tank there?
Yep. It's the name filler neck.
Well, I assumed it was something.
Probably gonna need a extension, a little mini extension.
I need to go get an extension?
I would say so.
Okay. To the garage. Oh.
Boys and girls, we're getting stuff done today. Just all this little crap it's got to get done. I don't know if I can get in there without an extension. I can. At least for this one. Brent, never mind! There. Missing one, but we'll be okay. A junkyard trip is in our future. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Unfortunately, we got we're down with the sickness here, so made for a very hard week for recording. So unfortunately, what you see is what you get. Please like, share, subscribe. Everybody stay safe.